Welcome to Mechanical Simulation Corner. In this video I will show you how you can define a material from the Fluent database or define a new material which is not included in the default database using UDF file. So you can see the material tab. Just click on here. Default fluid is air. Air is the default fluid. Click on Fluent database. You will find many type of fluid for your experiment. You can choose any of them. Let's take water liquid. Select water liquid and click on copy. Click on close. We can see that water liquid has added. You can also change the property if you want for your experiment, or you can keep it the same value. I don't need the sulfur liquid. Okay. You can also add vapor phase from the water liquid, water vapor. So this is the way you can easily define a material for your experiment. But for my experiment I need a refrigerant R134A which is not available in the default database. So I need to add the material property manually. So for this you can use the UDF file, user defined database. Click here, user defined. Now click the function, click on compile, then click on add. Here you can see the UDF file .c file which I have previously written in Notepad. This is the C program. You need to write a C program here. We can see that all the properties are defined here, like specific heat, enthalpy, density, viscosity, everything. Then just click on save as and rename it as the extension of cfile.c. Now click on your file, click on OK. Library name, you can set a new name also. Now click on build. To use user defined file, you need to ensure that you have a Visual Studio in your PC. Now click on your file, source file, and click here load. Okay, you can see data has been added. You can also unload the library if you want. Just click on unload. Now again click any of the material fluid. I will rename it The default density is constant. Click on user defined. Fluid density, vapor density, as I rename it as liquid, so I will use all the liquid property. Click on liquid density. So by this way you can select all the properties as user defined properties. Now just click on sense, close. Okay, our new material is here. You can also add the vapor phase of your refrigerant. So thank you everyone.